chemistry experiment, that is preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. So we prepare benzoic acid from benzamide by using this reaction. It's a very simple reaction. This benzamide is reacts with NaOH. You will get sodium salt of benzoic acid. Further, this reacts with HCl. You will get benzoic acid. Let us start the experiment. Firstly, weigh the 1 gram benzamide by using this weighing balance. This is weighing balance, friend. So you have to take 1 gram of benzamide by using this weighing balance. So this is benzamide. You take 1 gram. So like by using this conical flask. This is 100 ml conical flask. So in this conical flask, firstly you add the benzamide powder in this conical flask. Benzamide, and add 10 ml 10% NaOH solutions. I already prepared NaOH solution, that is 10% solutions. Take 10 ml of NaOH solution by using this measuring cylinder. This is measuring cylinder and this is 10% NaOH solutions. We need 10 ml. This is 10 ml measuring cylinder. So this is 10 ml 10% NaOH solution. So we add this NaOH with constant stirring. As per our reaction, we add NaOH solution, that is 10% NaOH, into the benzamide. So now we heat this solution for 30 minutes by using this burner. This is wire gauge, this is burner. So heat this reaction mixture up to 30 minutes. Cover this reaction mixture by using that funnel. Boil the reaction mixture for 30 minutes. So what happened in this reaction? Ammonia gas is evolved is like this. Ammonia gas is evolved. अभी इसमें ऐसा केयर करना है कि ये जो सॉल्यूशन है ड्राई नहीं होना चाहिए. टेक केयर मिक्सचर डज नॉट ड्राई. द कंप्लीशन ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिकेट व्हेन वेपर्स कमिंग आउट ऑफ द फ्लास्क हैव नो स्मेल ऑफ अमोनिया. ये रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो गई है, इसे कब बोलेंगे अपन? ये जो वेपर्स जा रहे हैं यहाँ से, उसका अमोनिया का स्मेल जो है जब तक नहीं आता तब तक उसको 30 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम टाइम है. मे बी इट रिक्वायर्स 20 मिनट्स. इसका इंडिकेशन रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होने का यह है कि अमोनिया स्मेल जो है जब तक नहीं आता तब तक वो रिएक्शन को. द कंप्लीशन ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिकेट when vapors coming out the flask have no smell of ammonia. Just I check the vapors of ammonia, no smell of ammonia here. So that's why we stop the heating of this reaction. Take out this reaction mixture in 100 ml beaker. Transfer this reaction mixture into the 100 ml beaker. Cool it for 2 minutes. Cool this reaction mixture. Add concentrated HCl until reaction mixture strongly acidic. So this is test the reaction mixture using litmus paper. If the solution is acidic, the blue litmus paper turns red. By using this litmus paper, this is blue litmus paper, you check this. If it is red, not observed. Again we add acid in this solution. If this up to strong acidic solution, add HCl. Yes, blue is converted into red. It means that this is acid. This is primary test to observe the acidic solution. Always blue turns into the red. This solution by using filter paper. This is funnel, this is tripod stand, this is filter paper. Dry this product by using filter paper. Use filter paper, dry this product. This is benzoic acid.
Start.
Recrystallize this product, benzoic acid, by using water. So add water in a small quantity of this benzoic acid. This is a recrystallization process by using water.